Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your Mac meets the Mac OS version and storage needs, and you're signed into an Apple ID. Open the App Store now. This is the first actionable step. Make sure 2FA is enabled for purchases. It prevents checkout interruptions. Once signed in, verify your payment method and add an Apple gift card if preferred. Doing this upfront avoids blocking the checkout. Now search for Logic Pro and keep the purchase button visible, so you can complete the next step immediately. Once you tap Buy, complete authentication. Face ID, Touch ID, or Apple ID password. Do that without delay to avoid reserved cart timeouts. After purchase, the App Store begins the download. Monitor progress in Launchpad or within the App Store so you know when to proceed. If your connection falters, pause and resume the download. This prevents corrupted files. Make sure to use wired Ethernet or a stable Wi-Fi for large downloads. When the app shows open, you're ready to install plugins and run the first launch smoothly. Open Logic Pro and follow the initial setup wizard. It scans for audio devices and third-party plugins so you can confirm routing and preferences. Authorize any external instruments or sample libraries when prompted, and consider moving large Apple loops or libraries to an external drive to save internal SSD space. Once projects open correctly, check audio interface latency and buffer settings. If something goes wrong, install error. Stalled download, restart the Mac, confirm free disk space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.